How to find the selling price? So this is about to find out the selling price. The condition is when cost price is given and percentage of profit or when percentage of loss. So gain or loss percentages are given and when the cost price is given. How to find out the selling price? Let us see the problems. You'll understand the concept clearly. Okay, first problem. Geeta bought a watch for rupees 450. For how much should she sell it to gain 10%? So how much should she sell? She's supposed to sell that watch, but she required the profit percentage is 10. Okay, gain percentage must be 10. Let us take this first problem. Bought a watch for 450. That means the cost price is given. Cost price is rupees 450. Gain is how much should she sell to gain 10%, right? So gain is equals to 10% of the cost price. So indirectly gain percentage is 10. Gain is depending on the cost price. That means gain is nothing but it's exactly 10% of cost price. So that is 10 by 100 of cost price is 450. You can calculate this. So 10 times 10, 0 cancel 45. Right. Up to here, gain is 45 rupees now. Now and selling price. Selling price only are supposed to find out. So actually we know that formula. Selling price is equals to cost price, selling price, gain relation. Selling price is cost price plus gain. Starting with check. Cost price plus gain is the selling price. Now cost price is 450. To get 10% profit, she's supposed to sell extra for 45 rupees. So gain is 45. Now 450 plus 45 rupees 495. Right? So this is about this one. One more question. Side, let me show here. Second one. If you observe here, Rahul bought an article for 800. That means that is the cost price, right? Bought an article for rupees 800 and sold it at 25% loss. Okay, so selling price is nothing but two ways we can do this problem. Already he sold it at 25% loss. Loss it is. So alternate method. Loss is 25%. That means selling price is 75% of the cost price. So we just observe clearly. Here is loss is 25%. That means selling price is total 100%. 25% loss means rest of is only 75. So 75% of cost price. Because it's loss, selling price should be less than cost price. So how much should be less? This 25% less. So remaining is 75. Okay, this is the way you can use it. 75 by 100 times cost price is 800. 100 times 1 is 8. 75 into 8. So 600. So rupees 600 is the selling price. These are the way when they'll give cost price are given, either profit or loss are given, you can use this method. Okay. In this is alternate way. Just you can check this clearly. What is the percentage loss now? Then remaining is the selling price based on the cost price. Right. Let us see one more question. Now this is the problem. Okay. So in this one, a shopkeeper buys 50 pencils for 80 rupees and sells them. Same 50 pencils. He sells them at 40 pencils for rupees 90. Sells them at 40 pencils for rupees 90. Find his gain or loss percentage. Whether it's purchasing or selling, item number of items are different here. 50 pencils for 80 rupees and 40 only for 90. Let us find out the cost price and selling price for the one pencil. So percentage does not change. The difference between either only one pencil or two, the percentage, rate percentage is same. Percentage is fixed. So therefore, cost price of 50 pencils. No? Cost price of the 50 pencils is rupees 80. Then cost price of one pencil. Only one item we can find out. Individual unit method it is. So cost price of one pencil. That is 80 divided by 50. Cancel this 8 by 5. No? So rupees 1.60. Do division. 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. Cost price of the one pencil is 1.6. Now selling price. Selling price of how much? Sold them 40 pencils for rupees 90. So selling price of 40 pencils for rupees 90. Same way you can find out selling price of one pencil. One pencil selling price. So that is rupees 90 divided by 40. Zeros are cancel. 9 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8. 2.25 will get. So cost price of the one pencil is 1 rupee 60 paisa and selling price of one pencil is 2 rupee 25 paisa. Yes, if you observe this, selling price is more. So he sold for extra amount than cost price. So it's nothing but gain. Hence, gain is equals to. So gain is SP minus CP. This is also gain for one pencil. Selling price of one pencil minus cost price of the one pencil. So 2.25 minus 1.60. That is 0.65. Subtraction. And this is the gain now. So number of pencils are same, either gain or loss, only for one pencil, right? So gain percentage. Gain percentage formula, that is gain by cost price into 100. So gain is 0.65 by cost price. Cost price also you can take only for one pencil, not total, because percentage I am calculating for the one. This can implement for total overall percentage. So 0.65 by cost price, 1.60 into 100. We can remove this point, no, two decimals. That is 65 by 160 into 100. You can cancel this 0.0658. 65 into 5 by 8. 5 5 is a 25 to carry. 30, 32. 325 by 8. Right in mixed fraction. 8 5 is 32 extra 5. So 45 by 8 percentage. Right? This is the gain percentage. Whenever the number of articles are different, like 50 pencils he has given, 40 is given, you can make into two important steps. Cost price of the one article, selling price of the one article, and this is also gain of the one article only. So one article, one pencil profit is 0.65. If you find out the percentage, gain percentage for one pencil is nothing but for throughout. Overall the find is gain or loss percentage we can find out by selling them at this price. This is now let us see the finding the cost price also when SP and percentage of gain or loss are given.